Alright everybody, just got back from fishing at Lake of the Woods. Water was cold. I caught zip. It's caught it twice in a row. Well, this is very unusual, but I guess I'm living up to terrible at fishing. So we're doing an unboxing. I know, and this is about a Baitz that I'm actually very, very excited about. So stay tuned. And in any second now, it'll play. Any second now. There it is. There. We'll do it from the... It's a very colorful one. Oh, look at that. I'm out of focus again. Yeah, something about this video capture device. I am going to make it fixed focus because, you know, I just get tired of being out of focus. So there. I'm going to focus on. So this is from Freedom Baitz. If you saw a live that I did recently, you saw that I actually, Lowell, the owner of Freedom Baitz, actually popped on. Really nice. Because Robert actually mentioned about Freedom Baitz. So this is, okay, so this is actually not the entire order. It comes from two different areas. So this is Lowell's, the Panfish Pounder Pack. This is it. Alright, so in this, there's a bunch of baits. And we have ones that look like orange sperm. looks like a sperm. Sorry, Lowell. Really nice packaging. Isn't that nice packaging? Look at that. It's really nice packaging. Made in Wisconsin. And hand poured and packaged. So, really nice. And, you know, may cause pregnancy. Okay. Alright, so this is the, what is that one called? Trident Orange. That's Trident Orange. This one's called Hellcat Cinnamon. Now this one, I mean, alright, this looks like a Hellgramite type of plastic. It's probably good to use these today. Just go small, catch stuff. Yeah, it's sort of a Hellgramite. So, lots of appendages. Look at all the appendages. That'll make somebody excited down there in the water. If the sperm don't. Sorry, Lowell. Just looks like sperm. Alright. This one, they're scented, but I can't smell anything because I'm still recovering from my cold. So I don't know what they smell like. These are microplastics. Now, alright. So it's really tiny. It's like ice fishing size right here. Crappie size. Alright, so, oh yeah. I remember this. So it actually, you know, it actually stretches real good. So that is a little thing. Forgot what it's called, but alright. So I got that. Oh, look. Crazy looking. These are called tomahawks. Alright. They kind of look like sperm too, but not really. Tomahawk purple. So that's what they look like. Really tiny stuff. Alright. Harpoon white. This is what you do with extra plastic. They're just white worms. This is what they are. Alright, there's another package coming from him. So, Bonita Cinnamon. Yeah. So that's Bonita Cinnamon. Looks like a fluke. Like a red fluke. Reddish. Yeah, reddish. More sperm. Oh, this one's for twins. Now, this was actually the A-bomb. Actually, I'm very excited about this one. This is really what I wanted to get to, is these A-bombs. So, they're basically wacky rigs that are tiny, tiny, tiny. So, they have two appendages off of the ball. And they're basically wacky rigs. And so, you get it in white, and I got it in pink. Bubblegum. Bubblegum will work good. So, awesome. All right, we got more. Oh my gosh, lots of stuff. Oh, I have a hook this small. The Apache Red. God, can you guys even see that? All right, let's see. No, you cannot. All right, let me open it. These are little. These are ice fishing stuff right here, but you know, when you're crappie fishing, yeah, it's really, really good. Yeah, I'm gonna do some crappie. Oh, these are cool. Okay, I remember these. It's like a double-headed octopus. All right, so there it is. It's like a double-headed octopus. All right, for those freakish twins. All right, so you got it in red and you got it in white. So I got it in white too. All right, so I got, oh my gosh, I wish I could smell. I'd like to know what these smell like. Frogman bubblegum. So now we're into the Frogman. These are all his best. So I just bought his assortment. So now the Frogman's really cool. I don't know how to describe it. It reminds me of a cartoon character. So you got these little arms and two little feet. All right? Two little arms and two little feet, legs, and then a body. Okay? So you get it in bubblegum. And you get it in frost, which is a light blue. Wow. Dude, that's a lot. So, let me see what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, okay, packages of Baitz for 25 bucks. 11 packages for 25 bucks. I think that that's a lot. He gave me his card. And thanks for the support, Michael. So, really nice little handwritten sentiment. Thank you, Lowell. Absolutely. Love supporting you. So, there is another package coming that have the pounders in it. Alright? So it didn't have the pounders in it. So I guess it comes from a different spot. So, yeah, it's a lot. I mean, think about it. I only paid like $2.50 each. That's pretty darn good, guys. That's really, really good. So I'll put a link to LT Outdoors down below. I want you guys to check them out. I swear you've never seen baits like his. I mean, these are really cool. Especially the A-bombs. The A-bombs are going to work. I could have used that today. But I went fishing and it was really cold. I couldn't catch a thing. I had already caught a cold. So, anyway, thanks for watching and support Lowell. He's just a bait maker like me, except he does soft plastics. Does some incredibly inventive spoons. I forgot what they call Razzle Dazzle or something like that. Anyway, check him out. And you will absolutely love what he's got. So, take care, everybody.